Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, this is Tracy, and I thank you for always viewing my videos, liking them and subscribing. So for today's video, we are going to talk about search strategy. It's also like an application in information literacy skills, like where you're able to join and learn how to make searches. So we need to first know what a search strategy is. So the simple way of defining a search strategy, you can define it as a systematic plan for finding relevant information using keywords. You can search using search operators and also tools to retrieve the best results efficiently. So that is the simple way you can define a search strategy. So as we go ahead, we are going to proceed and we talk about the common search strategies we have. And the first one is a Boolean operator. So we need to understand what Boolean operators are. So these Boolean operators, the simplest way we can understand them, they are words used to combine or to exclude such terms. So when you're trying to search a specific term and you want to know what it means, so these Boolean operators will help you to either include or combine other terms, or to exclude, such that you get the exact information you want. And the examples of these Boolean operators, you can talk about and, you can talk about or, then even another one can be not. And all these three Boolean operators have different works, as we are going to understand them as we continue. So let us understand them step by step. The first one being and. When do I use and which kind of information can I get when I use the Boolean operator and? So in case I want to search for information like for domestic violence in Gulu and maybe another district that is maybe in the east, let me say in Bali. So the and Boolean operator will help us here. So I will have to say domestic violence in Uganda and Mbale. So the searches that will be brought to me, they will be including the domestic violence in Uganda, and then in Gulu, and also that one in Mbale. Then when we go to the operator known as not means that when you're searching, let me use the same example we used for domestic violence in Gulu and Mbale. So when I'm to use the not operator, it's I can use it by saying domestic violence in Gulu, not Mbale. So it means the kind of information they're going to bring for me, it is going to show me only the information from Gulu specifically, but not Mbale. Then for all gives you a wide range of search. It gives you many options, whereby it doesn't restrict to that of not and. For all, it gives you many options in your search, and so when you're trying to search for some information, they'll give you many examples and many fields when you use the or operator. So the next common search strategy we can talk about is the truncations and wildcards. So when we are to look at truncations, truncations, for them, they are used to broaden words. For them, they retrieve the multiple words. For example, let me assume a word like educate. You can try to search for a word that is educate, but now they will bring for you all words that range in the same way as educate. What I'm trying to mean is, if I'm to search for educate, for it will have to bring for me education, educate. So there are many. So this is what I was trying to mean, like the word educate. Let me first type it. If I'm to search for educate, it will give me options like education. It will give me options like educators, and also maybe educates. So it brings multiple options. Then when we continue, when we talk about the wildcards for it, instead of, okay, let me first delete this. So now for the wildcards, if I'm to search for a word like woman, and women, yeah. So instead of me typing in all these two words, instead I'll just come and put a question mark here. So you can either use a question mark or hash. So I'll come and put a question mark. Just I give a word like this. So when they are to bring for me the different words, they will bring for me this, meaning that it is either woman or women. So the A and E is kind of absorbed. So this is what they call the wildcards. So the third search strategy we can talk about is the field specific searching, where we search for information within the titles. And then maybe the fourth one is the phrase searching. And for phrase searching, we always search using quotations. So this is the next thing we are going to look at, the ways of searching. And I've just like tried to summarize them. Number one, you can define your topic first, then identify the key concepts. Number three, generate your keywords. Use Boolean operators and then apply search techniques such as truncations and wildcards. So this is the simplest way you can search your information online. Then maybe we can also talk about the advantages of such strategies. So the advantages, number one, they are used in academic database. Then the other one we can talk about is they save time, because if you know how to use these operators very well, then I don't think you can waste time when you're searching. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe as you wait for my other videos. Nice time.